Hello, and welcome. Today I'm trying something new. Usually I just make movies out of things I film, and I put some music to it, and I call it a movie. I upload it and show it to everybody. But today I'm going to try something new. I'm going to give a shot at vlogging. So today I'm going to take you with me on a few errands I got to do. Taking the car in to get new brakes installed, get a few other errands here and there, and some things to do around the house, so let's go. Another time, but my driveway is a bitch to get out of. And everyone always looks at me funny when they drive by. It's entertaining, actually. The fact that if I want to park basically at my front door, I have to go down the street, make a U-turn, and then come back. Church, school, parking lot to turn around, and it's early, so everyone's getting dropped off right now. Right at home, and they're like, what was he doing in this parking lot? Like, this guy is judgmental looks all the time. I don't get it. First stop is post office, FedEx store. Send this box out. My last phone crashed on me and I had to get a new one, so I'll send back the old one. So dropped off my first package, well, my only package. Send that off back to Google, my old phone, and we're heading to the shop and my mechanic to get my new brakes and rotors installed. So I'm here at J&K Automotive to have my brakes installed. We're doing rotors and pads. I'm going to be doing a stock tech street pads and cross drilled and slotted rotors. So we're going to be able to stop a lot better than we do now.
So we're done at the shop, brakes are installed, good to go. Looks like we're just gonna head home, start doing some stuff around home. About stopping and slowing down, and then just put it down a little harder, and okay, we're starting to slow down, and now I barely touch the pedal at all and we're slowing down. Yeah, this is gonna be nice.
So we're back home, and got a couple things to do around here. I'm gonna do a car wash too, because the car is filthy. It rained here this week, and it's not go well with the car. So I'm gonna do a car wash, and I'm gonna go through some of the old parts for the car, and probably put some stuff up for sale today. Buried back there are basically all the stock parts that I've taken off the car and replaced with other stuff. And it's time for all this stuff to go. It's just taking up way too much room in here. We can hardly walk through. But I gotta get it all out and take pictures of it and get it all ready to put up online.
So I finished up everything I needed to do today on the garage and on the computer, and that's pretty much it for today. I'll call it a night before I get to editing this, and that's gonna be about it. So thanks for stopping by, and until next time.